Hey everybody, this is Warren from the Tycoon Show. I wanted to jump on and make a very quick video about this feature that I always use. Now we have one laptop in our house and four people using it. So let's just say that somebody is on the computer right now and they're doing a PowerPoint for work, but you really need to read a Word document to find a little bit of information about on something. Now, instead of jumping onto the laptop and minimizing all of their work, maybe accidentally closing something that they didn't save, what you need to do is this. You need to go down to the bottom and click on Task View. Now, what this will do is that which is called a virtual desktop. Now, as you can see up top here, it says Desktop 1 and Desktop 2. Now, if you click on Desktop 2, it will take you to this screen. Now, this is not connected to another computer or anything like that. It's on the same computer, but what you've done is set up basically like a separate file, so you are not going to upset or accidentally delete the other person's work. So all you got to do is just jump on and do what you need to do. Here I'm going to read a Word document very quickly to find out some information, and then once I've done what I needed to do, I'll either just minimize it or go to the task view and I can either close it or just flick back to desktop 1 and they can continue on working on the PowerPoint that they were working on before, and nothing has been deleted or minimized and they haven't lost any work.